Kaya, ang napapansin ko, yung resource person, the former president, vis-a-vis the one questioning, are not on the same page. Kaya hindi sila nagkakaintindihan. Kaya alam mo, nagtitiktok ako ngayon. Alam mo mga sinasabi ng mga viewers ko? Sabi niya, it's already boring. Paulit-ulit ang tanong, paulit-ulit-ulit ang presidente sagot. Ang problema kasi, yan ang problema pag hindi lawyers ang nagtatanong sa isang lawyer. Hindi talaga magkakaintindihan.
Attorney, bakit po dumating si VP Sara Duterte?
Kailangan tanongin niyo siya. But if you will ask me if I am the son of someone who is there, I will be there. Anak eh.
Sir, yung thoughts nyo nandiyan si Senator Trillanes.
Hindi ko nakita. Sino ba yun? Hindi ko nakita eh. But anyway, tingnan mo na. I'd like to say something about yung assuming full and legal responsibility. Hindi sila maliwanag naman na sinasabi ni Presidente. His policy when he was president was he placed on his shoulder the success or failure of the war on drugs. So any consequences arising therefrom, he will assume responsibility. Kaya sabi niya, kung nagkamali yan dahil inutos ko, hindi isama niyo ako sa demanda kasi ako nagutos. But ang problema, hindi yung palaging nakakalimutan, hindi natatandaan, na from the very beginning, yung kanyang utos is predicated on law. What was his utos? I'm declaring war on drugs. Do your jobs as policemen. Arrest them, bring them to jail, and prosecute them. If they resist arrest, then huwag kayong darating ditong bangkay. Because under the law, you are justified to kill. That is the order of the president. Yun ang palagi nakakalimutan eh. Ang palagi inuulit-ulit nila, I will kill you. You know, when you say, I will kill you, it's not a crime. Ilang ulit yun ang sinabi yan, tinatakot ko lang at maraming natakot eh. Right. Number two, pag sinabi niyang, I assume full legal responsibility under the Constitution, the President is tasked to protect the people. Kaya nga sinasabi niya, I did it to protect the people. Pero yung sinasabi niyang war on drugs is predicated on a legal ground. Huwag natin kalilimutan na palagi ang utos niya, arrestuin niyo pag nag-resist, saka kayo gumamit ng dahas because that is allowed under the law. Eh, ang problema, pinagpipilitan nila na, hindi, sinabi mo, you're assuming responsibility legal. Kaya sinasabi ni Presidente, if you cannot transfer criminal responsibility doon sa akin, eh siya kung pumatay, ba't ninyo ako isasama? Unless conspiracy is proven. Yun ang sinasabi nila, may conspiracy. Kaya nga, di ba, he has been daring, if you think I'm guilty, nakakonspire ako, why don't you file the case? But until now, nobody has filed the case. Simply because, kasi hindi naman totoo. Isa pa, di ba, kanina pinakita ron. Sabi ni Marvil, PNP chief, marami ang napatay na pulis. Marami ang injured. Hindi ba, that will prove to us na talagang maraming lumalaban. Otherwise, almost 1,000 mahigit ang napatay. O di ibig sabihin, marami naglalaban. Naghahanap sila ng baril. They were looking for a gun, di ba? Kasi daw, pag naglaban, kuminsan, common sense, talagang malayo. Halimbawa, ikaw, inaresto kita, wala kang baril, ako ang may hawak ng baril, inagawan mo ako ng baril, o di wala kang baril, pag nabaril kita, wala kang baril. Kumbaga, there are instances na talagang hindi ka makakita niyan. Yan ang pinupunto ko.